Denise, we are 10 days away from the largest pizza expo of all time.
Let's do this. Is it too early to pack now?
It's still too early to pack.
At least do my laundry, right?
You can do your laundry.
Okay, thanks.
All right, Denise, let's talk about demos. We are bringing it this year with the demos.
Absolutely, we are.
You can learn any style of pizza that you want at this year's Pizza Expo. We have demos for Roman style, Detroit, New York slice, thin and crispy, vegan. So if you're wanting to expand your menu, be sure to attend one of these demos on the show floor and
It's a great spot to have a sample and to have a seat.
You'll have some of the best samples on the show floor right there at the demos.
So you don't even have to wait until the show floor opens on Tuesday to get the most out of Pizza Expo. The education program that we have lined up for you Monday and Tuesday is well worth getting there early. So Sunday and Monday, we have the School of Pizzeria Management classes. Now those are fee-based, but guess what? They're gonna be deep dives and you're gonna bring home, take-home materials that you're gonna be able to put in place right away. So it's well worth it.
And when we say School of Pizzeria Management, we mean school. You're in there all day and you're taking notes, and it is intensive. So you're gonna get a lot from that seminar.
Okay, so we have 5 days of education for you to soak in, take notes, and make sure you divide and conquer. If you're coming with your staff, make sure you split up. Don't stay together, split up and hit all the classes that you possibly can.
Fast becoming my favorite event at Pizza Expo is the Young Entrepreneur Award.
Absolutely.
Last year I walked away, first of all it's exciting because these 3 people are up there competing for the Young Entrepreneur Award, and they're giving it all, they're telling their story. I walked away inspired, so inspired last year.
You're doing it in 15 minutes at a time.
Right, absolutely. So we're bringing it back again this year, the Young Entrepreneur Award, with 3 new finalists. Denise, who are they?
Okay, so our finalists are Rita Halkias from Cheshire Pizza and Ale in Cheshire, Connecticut. We also have Alex Coons from Purgatory Pizza in Los Angeles. Then we have Mitch Rotolo Jr. He's from Rotolo's Craft and Crust in Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
And the Young Entrepreneur Award is on Wednesday at 3:30 in room N111. Be sure to get there at 3:30 because you want to hear all 3 speakers give their talk so you can vote appropriately. There will be online voting at the end.
And we'll be picking a winner on the spot.
Yeah,
it's going to be pretty exciting.
It's very exciting. That's it for this week's update show. We'll be back next week, hopefully without
the construction
noises. We'll be back next week with our last update show before Pizza Expo. Before then, you should download the Pizza Expo app before you get to Vegas. Denise, how do you get that?
All right, make sure you go to pizzaexpo.com, go up to the About, and you'll see a nice little button that says Mobile App, and we've got it for Google Play and the Apple Store.
It's your complete guide to Pizza Expo. I can't stress enough how important it is you download that app.
I'm already using mine. I've already got so many things planned.
All right, until next time.
Well, you don't even.
Well, you don't even. You were supposed to say something.
You were supposed to look at me.
Okay. 2. All right. We'll start that one over.